How to use dark mode in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you easiest way. Actually guys, I'm going to show you the two methods that you can use as per your requirement. Second one is best for me, so I will show you. So let's start with the video guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs first. Okay guys, so here we are. As I told you, I'm going to show you the two methods. The first simple is you can use the Chrome extensions. Okay, I show you which Chrome extension you can use. the, the Chrome extension here. Go to the Chrome extensions and here search for Google Docs dark mode. Okay, so this extension you can use. Okay, just add to the Chrome and it will be added to your Chrome. Okay, just go to this extension icon, pin it, so it will be pinned on your toolbar. Now when you refresh your browser, you can see, if I go to the Google Docs, the home page of Google Docs still the normal mode. Okay, but when you open any file in Google Docs, it's converted in the dark mode. But when you come in the home page of Google Docs, it is still the default themes or default mode. Okay, so you can see there is only toolbars and background themes are converted in black mode, so but page still in white. Okay, so what for that, what you can do, you can go to the page setup and here you can change the page color to black, and now just click on the page and hit the Control A. It will be select all data and all page, and now you can change from here the page color to white, sorry, text color to white. So now you can see the all the page and themes in black mode. But when you come in Google Docs home page or any other page, is still the by default themes. Okay, so it is not converted in black mode, so you can use only Google Docs file when you open. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the second methods. Okay, you can use the Google's Chrome settings. So let me delete this extension. Okay, now if I refresh it, okay, I need to change the page color to white and the text color in black. Okay, so it is now by default themes. The next step is just go to the settings, Chrome settings, and here come to this search bar and select the setting word and delete it, and just follow with flags. Type the flags, 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 and just hit the enter. Then this is like advanced setting of Chrome browser. Okay, so here in search bar just search for dark, then this option will be come up. Now just enable it and just relaunch. Now you can see your Google Docs homepage also dark mode, and any other website if you are working on Chrome, it will be dark mode only. Okay, and the Google Docs file also in dark mode, but still the page and the text in default color. So same, you need to just change the page color from here, make it black, and then select all the text and make it white. So now you can simply use the black mode to Google Docs homepage and the file. Okay, so when you done your work, just change the background color of page and text color, so it will be normal, it will be looks normal. Okay, so now if you have to disable, just come here again and type for dark mode and just disable it, make it by default, and just relaunch. So it will be relaunch, and here you need to change page color. Sorry, you need to change the page color because we have changed from here, and change the text color. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.